Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about BikeMap and you click. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage and you will enter. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.